Hello there, my friend. Finally, we are going to learn about AWS S3 and you will get to know why is it so popular, why everyone uses it. So what exactly is S3? S3 stands for Simple Storage Service. Yes, it means you can simply store any file, any kind of data which you want, be it a video file, be it an audio file, be it HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON. You can host any file you want and you will get lot of options how to store it, when to delete it, how to retrieve it. We will learn about everything in S3 in the later part as well. So the first thing we need to understand is buckets. Yes, everything you store needs to be in a bucket. So it is just like a container, or you can say your hard disk. You are naming it and you are storing all the files inside a bucket, and you will allow some policies, controls on that particular bucket. So maybe you can create a bucket just for storing audios, or other bucket just for storing videos, depending on your need. So now we will see how we can create some buckets. To create bucket, we will use our AWS CLI, which we set up in earlier video. Alright, it's pretty simple. We use the CLI AWS S3 API create bucket, and we pass the bucket name using dash dash bucket. And if you want to make a bucket in other than US East one, so you will have to pass this dash dash region flag, and then you will have to add this location constraint as well. So let's go to our terminal and we will simply do AWS S3 API create bucket, and we will put the name pom pom buck. Let's see if we have pom pom buck. So we have pom pom buck available. So if you try to do something like my bucket, so it is already taken. Somebody has already bucket with that name. Bucket names are global, because if you would have looked, let's just go to our AWS console, and inside buckets, if I open anything, you will see I can select this, and I can copy S3 URI. So if I paste it here, so you see that our S3 protocol. So every bucket needs to have a unique name in AWS, no matter what your region is. So let's now find out the bucket which we already created. So to see the bucket list, you can just do AWS S3 ls, and you will get to see all the buckets. So let's see. Yes, we do have pom pom bucket here. Yes, we can also see our bucket in our console now. In the next section, we will learn how to copy and transfer objects to our bucket.